And I just want to give you a little tip. You know, there's a lot of people marketing online and they're using social media, and some people are just spamming people with messages. But one thing I want to have you do is before you send anyone a link, make sure you ask their permission before you send that link to them. And I say this for a couple of reasons. Because when you do this and someone says yes, then they know that they have said yes to this request. So when you follow up with them, they know this is information that they have asked for. And it will be much better for you through that whole selling process, because you know you didn't just spam them or send something where they'll just simply ignore you. They've had to express interest in whatever it is you have to offer. Now that's only one piece of the puzzle. There's a lot that goes along with that, and if you want more information, I do suggest that you click the link and get any other free resources and the other free trainings that I have available concerning this, and you know, just get a more thorough education of how to prospect online. But for this particular topic, go ahead and read the blog post and let me know what you think. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.